What's up guys, it's Phil Swift here, and today I have a helpful tutorial video for you. It is how to get rid of the red ring of death on the Xbox 360. Now as you can see, this Xbox 360, I just got it in December of 2017 for a Christmas present. And after a few seconds of turning it on, it gets the red ring of death. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this red ring so it's not there anymore. It's very simple, very easy. Let's get right to it. Now I'm gonna have my cameraman Alex keep my phone at the Xbox the whole time. It's literally so simple. Just wait. You won't see that red ring anymore.